Spring is in the air, so we've come up with 3 really cheery kids crafts that you can make with your little ones. We've got some Pom Pom Animals, we've got some air dry clay flower coasters, and we've got a flower headdress that your children can wear. So keep watching and we'll show you how to make them all.
For the Pom Pom Animals, you'll need orange, pink, black and white felt, a black pipe cleaner, pink, yellow and white wool, googly eyes, a pom-pom and some craft glue. For the flower coasters, you'll need air dry clay, a rolling pin, a cocktail stick, paint, a Sharpie and some Mod Podge. For the flower crown, you'll need about 10 coffee filters, kids felt tip pens, white card, double-sided tape, sticky tape and some pots. So starting with the Pom Pom Animals, or Pomimals, for each one you'll need a pom-pom for the head and a slightly bigger one for the body. Make them by winding wool around your fingers about 50 times to create a small bundle. Tie the bundle tightly together with another piece of wool. Cut through the loops, then trim the wool to make a small pom-pom. Make a larger pom-pom by winding wool about 80 times around a scrap of card. Remove the bundle, tie to secure and trim the excess. You'll need to make a pink set for a little bunny, a yellow set for a duckling and a white set for a lamb. Cut 2 pink felt feet, a nose and some ears for the bunny, some webbed feet and a beak from orange felt for the duckling, and a black pair of ears and a nose for the lamb. Glue the pom-poms together, then add the ears, feet and noses. Leave to dry. For the lamb's legs, cut a piece of pipe cleaner in half. Fold the ends in by about 2 inches and bend like this, then glue to the bottom of the lamb's body. Add googly eyes to finish. For the headdress, add a strip of colour around the corner of each coffee filter on both sides like this. Make sure you're using kids' washable pens or the colour won't run. You'll need to make about 10. Half fill a pot of water for each filter. Open them up and put the ends into the pots. Now watch the magic happen. When the water hits the colour, it will pick up and carry it in a process that's called chromatography. Some of the colours will separate to give a lovely effect. Once the colour has bled to the ends of the filter, take them out of the water and leave them to dry. Then scrunch them like this to make a flower shape. Twist the ends to secure. For the headband, I've cut 2 strips of card that's about 3 inches wide and taped together to make a band long enough to go around my daughter's head. Attach the flowers to the band using double-sided tape or glue. Tape the band together to finish. For the flower coasters, start by drawing flower shapes onto a scrap of paper to make a template. These should all be roughly the same size and they need to be bigger than a mug. Cut these out. Roll out the clay to about 5 mm thick. Place the templates on top and use a cocktail stick to draw around them. Then remove the template and cut out the flowers with a knife. Leave to dry overnight. Then paint the flowers with lovely bright colours. Add definition with a Sharpie, then add a slick of Mod Podge to give a shiny finish and give the coasters a bit of water protection.
So there we have it, 3 simple ideas, and these are really good ones for adapting. You can change them to suit your children's hobbies and interests. Head over to the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub for loads more spring ideas. Thanks for watching.